Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis last week, so that is where this orange trend line here is coming from. And that comes into play because that actually is what pretty much, jump-started the nice movement today. So you can see nice bounce, got rejected, and then finally got a good solid break. And then from there, the rest was history. A very, very impressive movement to the upside. So good to see that trend line has been broken. But now the chart's looking a little bit sketchy. And the reason for the sketchiness is, well, let me just add up a little bit more context here. Move that line out of the way. But before the final 30, well, that didn't help. The problem with these leverage ETFs is they sure like to throw around, all sorts of proportions for the chart. But point here being, this was before the final 30 minutes. Nice little green candle. And then the last 30 minutes showed up and you had this big old red candle occur. So does that destroy everything? Absolutely not. But it does bring about a very important level to watch going forward. And that's going to be this area right here at $3.90. The reason why $3.90 is very important, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to better explain myself, if the price were to come down to $3.90 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to essentially where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price were to come down to here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows right there. And if you envision those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined, again, as $3.90. So yeah, that final 30 minutes was rough. But to be fair, the price does still have the opportunity at progress. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about that level right up there at 455. You can see that level has rejected the price previously, and then once again rejected it right there. So keep a close eye on that. But top priority right now is just making sure this final 30 minutes doesn't spin out of control by blasting down through 390. So let's see if the price can stay above that area or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.